Most smart home products focus on technology. Faster, smarter, more features. But some of the best smart home upgrades have nothing to do with technology at all, because nobody walks in your house and compliments your Thread network. They notice things like lighting, furniture, and window treatments. So today I want to show you one of my newest smart home upgrades, these SmartWings drapes. And while the finished result is fantastic, getting here wasn't quite as smooth as I expected. Hey, I'm Robert, and Oconee Smart Homes exists to make real homes more convenient, accessible, and safe with smart home technology. We serve real customers right here in Oconee County, Georgia, but this channel is for anyone who wants to make a simpler, smarter home. Quick disclosure before we get started. SmartWings provided the smart drapes featured in this video, but this is not a sponsored video. I also purchased the additional shades that you'll see in this space. As always, my reviews are completely independent from start to finish, and my full collaboration policy is linked in the description down below. To create something that's truly smart, three things have to work together: great design, reliable technology, and a smooth customer experience. SmartWing absolutely nails some of these areas. Others still need work. Today I'm going to walk you through the design, installation, smart home features, and overall customer experience of the SmartWings Smart Curtain Rod and shades so that you can decide whether they're right for your home. Let's start with the design. Most smart home videos focus on device functionality, and we will get there too, but sometimes we overlook how much a product changes the look and feel of a room. A product like a smart switch can disappear into the wall. A window treatment becomes a part of the room. It can soften a space, add texture or warmth, make a room feel finished, or, with the wrong design, look like a disaster. SmartWings offers a variety of fabric options, pleat styles, and curtain rod finishes. These behind me are the Daphne curtains. The material is thick, it's available in different colors with different liner options, including blackout, and can be ordered with either a loose pleat or a memory-shaped pleat. We think they fit the room really well. We chose curtains instead of shades for this window because of both the size of the window and the overall look that we wanted in the bedroom. When we bought this house, it had traditional blinds through all the windows, and over time, some of those have broken and needed replacement, but more importantly, our style has evolved. We wanted something that felt warmer and more intentional. This window overlooks our backyard and our deck area, so privacy is important because we host out there, but we also wanted something that looked clean from both the inside and the outside. The curtains themselves are high-quality drapery, but all of the smart features live inside the curtain rod. The rod contains the motor and the track system, and the curtains hang from hooks attached to the track. The curtains run smoothly on the track, but they are louder than the shades. If you're a light sleeper, you may not want them waking up in the morning. This does require AC power, so you'll need an outlet nearby, but the motor and power cord disappear completely behind the drapes. Overall finish here is really nice. One thing I particularly like is that SmartWings now sells the curtain rod separately. Since window treatments are usually custom made and semi-permanent, they're made to fit the space. This is a big advantage. If your style changes years from now, you can keep the smart curtain rod and swap the drapes themselves. Of course, these nice curtains aren't enough if the smart features don't work. The drapes have motor options that support Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and Thread. I chose Matter over Thread. That gives me more local control, no cloud dependency, and compatibility across virtually every major smart home ecosystem. I use Apple Home, Home Assistant, Homey, Alexa, you name it. You can pick the platform that works best for you. So far, these have been extremely reliable in my setup. You can control them with your app, favorite voice assistant, or automations. Personally, I think automations are where smart shades really shine. Every morning, the drapes open automatically to let the natural light into the room. In the afternoon, they'll close when the sun starts heating up the space. If you're curious how I automate shades based on the sun's position, I covered that in another video, and I'll link it below. I also have a privacy automation tied to our bathroom fan. This window overlooks our deck, and another window faces our neighbor's driveway. So when someone's taking a shower, the bathroom fan automatically turns on based on humidity. When that happens, the shades close automatically also, so that nobody has to think about privacy before stepping back into the bedroom to change. It's a small thing, but it's exactly the kind of automation that makes a smart home feel thoughtful. And there's another benefit to smart shades that doesn't get talked about enough: comfort. These windows are large and our bedroom gets a lot of sun, so I wanted to see if these actually made a difference for the temperature and feel in the room. I compared two similar sunny days, one with the shades open and one with them closed. AC set the same, 76 degrees. The result? The day the shades were open, the brightest part of the day, the room was 77 degrees. That means my AC wasn't quite keeping up. The next day, with the shades closed, it was 74. That doesn't seem huge, but the difference is right on the threshold of driving energy savings. And whether this is objective or not, I can definitely feel the difference when I walk in the room. Now, this isn't a scientific test, but the trend was pretty clear. The biggest advantage isn't that the shades block sunlight. Almost any shade can do that. The advantage is that they do it automatically. Most people don't close their shades until the room already feels hot or is too bright. A smart shade can react before you even think about it. And to me, that's where the smart part becomes invaluable. Good design isn't just about how a room looks, it's also about how a room feels. And that's why smart shades remain one of my favorite smart home categories. They're one of the few smart home products that improves convenience, comfort, privacy, and energy efficiency all at the same time. I'm currently working on a complete smart shades roundup video covering different brands, different shade styles, retrofit options, and solutions for different budgets. So if you're trying to decide between SmartWings and some of the options, make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss that one. Now let's talk about the part that most reviews skip, getting these ordered and installed. Ordering smart curtains isn't like ordering a smart plug. You get one measurement wrong and you're living with that mistake every single day. And after talking with customers, I know that this is one of the biggest concerns and anxiety that people have. These are custom-built products. SmartWings can only build what you tell them to build. The challenge is that their documentation didn't always give me the confidence that I was measuring correctly. To be fair, I do think that they've improved some of that documentation since I started this project. But there were several points where I needed to contact support to make sure I understood exactly what was being measured. For the curtain rod, one of the biggest points of confusion was understanding that the measurement is the total length of the rod from end to end. You'll measure the window, account for the desired overlap on both sides, and make sure that you're considering nearby walls, trim, or doors that could interfere. The goal is to completely cover the window when it's closed while exposing as much glass as possible when it's open. The same thing happened to me when I ordered some of the shades. The information was there, but it often felt like I needed additional clarification before I felt comfortable submitting a custom order. Once you have your measurements, you'll build your order. And there are a lot of decisions. Fabric choices, motor choices, rod finishes, mounting styles, dimensions. The customization is fantastic, but especially if this is your first time ordering a custom window treatment, it can feel overwhelming. So pro tip, go ahead and order the fabric samples. It's much better to see these in person than on a screen. Installation itself is fairly straightforward. The shades are easy. If you've installed a few shades before, you'll probably have them mounted in under 10 minutes. The drapes are different. These are definitely a two-person installation. The rod hangs from underneath the mounting brackets, which creates a very clean finished look, but it means that someone needs to hold the rod in place while the other person secures everything from above. The rod is fairly heavy, especially on longer spans, so grab a second ladder and an extra set of hands, and you'll thank me later. Accurate bracket placement is also important. The rod is assembled in sections, and if the mounting points aren't level, the internal track can bind. Take your time, measure carefully, and don't rush the installation. For the smaller windows in the room, we also ordered SmartWings shades. That gave me a much broader view of their products as a whole. We started with a Roman shade using matching fabric. We chose an outside mount with a front roll configuration. While the quality was good, we ultimately didn't love how far the shade projected away from the window. To make the most of the investment, we added a roller shade to create a dual shade setup. The end result works well and gives us the light control that we were looking for. Like the drapes, these are also matter over thread and have integrated seamlessly into our smart home. But they also helped expose some of the friction points that I think are important to discuss. Don't get me wrong, these are great products. In fact, once everything was installed, they've been reliable and enjoyable to use. Most of my frustration happened before installation, and that's an important distinction. The ordering process presents a lot of decisions with very little context. It's easy to second-guess measurements, motor choices, and mounting styles. The printed instructions could also be clearer and make fewer assumptions about the user's experience level. Then there's the fit and finish of certain products. The Roman shades look nice, but they don't look quite like the photos, and they don't have the same appearance as a traditional Roman shade. The roller shades also leave more light gap than I expected around the edges because of the motor and the housing design. None of these issues are unusual by themselves, but when you combine them with measurement uncertainty and ordering complexity, they contribute to an overall feeling of friction. I found myself wondering several times, has anyone at SmartWings gone through this entire process in a real home from start to finish? To SmartWings' credit, Their team was responsive and receptive to feedback. And because these are custom products, it's important to understand exactly how they'll fit your window before placing an order. Again, none of these issues are deal breakers, but together they created more friction than I expected. So who are these for? They're for people who care about design, people who want local control and modern smart home support. They're also for people who value premium window treatments and people who are comfortable measuring carefully or hiring someone to help. If you're looking for the cheapest options or expecting an Amazon-style buying experience, then these are not for you. If you're expecting a custom window treatment experience that happens to include modern smart home technology, you'll have much more realistic expectations. Smart homes aren't just about technology. They're about creating spaces that are more enjoyable to live in. The technology should serve the design, which is why I think that these drapes are so cool. The technology is excellent. Matter over thread works exactly the way that I want my modern smart home products to work. The design might be even better. These drapes and shades add convenience, but they also add character to the room. Now, the customer journey still has room for improvement, but SmartWings is building products that feel incredibly modern while working through some of the challenges that come with custom-built solutions. And that's what makes them interesting, because nobody walks into your house and compliments your thread network, but they absolutely notice a room that feels comfortable, finished, and thoughtfully designed. And that's where SmartWings gets it right. Now, tell me about your space. Would you choose smart drapes, roller shades, Roman shades, or are you sticking with traditional blinds? Let's start the design debate in the comments. God bless you. See you next time.